Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Ahn Bo-hyun and So-hee fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for the analysis of fortune harmony between Ahn Bo-hyun and So-hee. A YouTube subscriber has applied. I was surprised that their appearance was so similar to that of the fortune. Their fortune was opposite of the flow of energy. However, they had the same external values of their lives. In this case, they have a better relationship as friends than as a couple. Let's analyze it together. Ahn Bo-hyun is a jewel in fortune. Jewels are people who think they are special, who are delicate and shine everywhere. So-hee is a big mountain from fortune. A big mountain is a thing that becomes the center point everywhere and gives trust to people. Jewels don't like to be buried in the ground. So jewelry and large mountains are not a good relationship. However, the external values of their lives were similar. Ahn Bo-hyun is a passive structure in which energy is coming toward him. It's a very suitable fortune for high-ranking government officials and organizational life. He has a strong sense of responsibility for the given tasks. Rather than activities, the ability to complete a given task with full responsibility is outstanding. So-hee is a structure in which energy flows from her fortune. Energy is flowing naturally to artistic energy and wealth and honor. It is a fortune structure that is often seen among businessmen and celebrities. It's a very active and autonomous fortune structure. They will have very different ways of thinking and living because the direction of energy flows opposite to each other. However, in the picture above, the letter with the asterisk means honor, and they have something in common, that they value honor very much in terms of the outside of life. They don't act recklessly and value people's reputation. They are people who have clear standards of life and have clear values of their own. Therefore, they may not fit together as a couple, but as friends, they may be able to advise each other and communicate well. Also, there are 5 kinds of energy in fortune. They are complementing each other's energy that they don't have. So that's also very good. It's a great thing as a couple that the energy they don't have is complemented. Therefore, I will give them 83% because the first harmonic score is reduced and raised at the same time. Have a healthy and happy life. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.